Each and every one of us has had moments where we cried out in despair, where we were so afraid at some point that we cowered underneath the blankets, wishing all the problems and fears of the world to go away once we stand up again. But they never did. We've all wished for a sign to magically appear that will tell us what to do, where to go, and who to be. That someone had some direction for us, that someone told us what would be next when we were lost in the darkness. But no sign ever came. And we all wished that somehow, somewhere, we would reach a place where all the problems and fears would just disappear. Where nothing would be bad anymore. A place of passion, success, and happiness that would never make us face our fears again. That would never make us feel pain again. But we haven't reached that yet. Your life does not shift when you turn on the TV. It doesn't change when you sleep it over. And it won't transform if you just sit idly by and wait for something to happen. It won't change like that. There will be no signs and there will be no one to tell you what to do. This is your life. And the only thing that will ever make a difference is if you stand up and move another step forward. When you fight the odds again, when you don't give in to fear, and when you stand up to face life one more day. And it all depends on what you decide right now. So you can decide to play another game or watch another show, and you can decide to keep looking for an easy way out, to keep wasting time and keep wondering on how you got here. Or you can decide to get off your ass and make a change. Because once you do make that change, that's when your life will transform. That is the way to reach success. That is the way to reach a greater life. That is the way to make your dreams come true. Make a change by getting up right now, by facing all your fears and all your problems, and by moving through them anyway. It won't be fucking easy all the time. You will be afraid, and you will make mistakes. But you have better things to do than be stopped by fear. You have a greater life to live than the one you are living right now. You have a calling to make your life the best that you can make it. Because you deserve it. So get off your ass. Live the life you always wanted. Take a step forward right now and change your life.